Hello, I'm Andrea,
I'm Noah.
and we're going to talk to you today about Currex insoles. So, when I think about Currex, there's a few things that I like to remember. Number one, they do not affect the stability of a shoe. Number two, they're lightweight. And number three, they're extremely slim, so they're non-bulky, and basically they replace the factory insole that comes with your shoe.
So they don't take out a lot of volume in the shoe, right?
Exactly. So you're not adding something in, you're replacing something. So basically, what Currex does is it allows the customer to customize their shoe fit. So there are three profiles. There's a high profile, a medium profile, and a low profile.
Is that the right order?
I think so. Yeah, that was right. So the way Currex is designed is it's designed to have shape. So you can see, as we're displaying here, there's actually a shape to this. So you can see in the heel, it's got a deep cup. You actually have an instep or arch, as you would put it, that basically allows that customer to say, okay, I like the feel of this, that, or the other. So it adds a little bit of a dynamic piece to that shoe and more of a 3D effect. So speaking of that arch, it's basically a dynamic flex arch, which means there's different arch levels, and that offers a greater customization option. There's a spring effect in the arch, which in other words, greater energy return and a reduction of that foot pressure that the customer will feel. In the forefoot here, you'll see the PU, which is polyurethane, orange rubber. And basically what that gives you is the rebound and sort of that propulsion effect. You have active moisture management, which you can see very specifically in the holes, for lack of a better term, that you see here. Allow moisture and air to flow. And then also a really cool thing to note is that this insole is about 7% lighter than any factory insole that you will remove to replace this with. So you're going to end up with a lighter shoe that's more comfortable.
So in review of the Currex Tech, we have a really deep heel cup. And so again, that goes a long ways in terms of fit and also function. So really adding to the overall cushion and feel of the shoe. We do have that added piece of cushioning on the heel as well. Secondly is that PU forefoot. So just like we know in some other footwear, anytime you're using polyurethane, it's more responsive. So that's you are going to get more energy return out of something like this, especially compared to a super soft EVA standard stock insole. And then moisture management, I think, as well, is something that is very unique in terms of a Currex insole that maybe doesn't, you don't see that same story in another insole.
Right. So no more running through creek beds with your foot soaked forever throughout the entire run. They'll actually dry and kind of drain a lot better.
Yeah, and not even comparing it to other insoles on the wall, although other aftermarket insoles don't have this technology. But yeah, if you look at the standard EVA insole, it just soaks up all that water. So pretty huge difference there.